Where does Lunc stand, and is the Terra Classic price rebound to $58 still feasible? In today's video, we will address these topics and additional news. You have arrived at the Coin Lady channel. The Terra System token is a good place to begin. Terra Systems has joined the Terra ecosystem as a significant partner. The development team behind Terra Systems will keep the community updated on all the latest happenings with tokens like Lunc Luna USTC and Terra, their own coin. Now that it has passed audit, the token can dominate the cryptocurrency market. When your lungs are expanding, it can be difficult to locate information about what's causing them to do so. In light of this, the Terra Systems crew has arrived to address the issue. Be sure to follow all the links in the description to stay up to date with the latest news and changes in the Terra ecology, and to support the revolutionary terrorist systems. Alright, then, let's keep on with the classic fear price surge. In the US civil case, the jury found Terraform Labs and Duchuan guilty of fraud, while the remaining 0.30s amount to $58. The verdict favored the US Securities and Exchange Commission. But Terraform and its executives aren't happy with the decision, and they are thinking about what to do next since they think the SEC doesn't have the right to sue in the first place. After falling more than 2% to close the support critical level, traders are now wondering if the Lunc price can still rise. People in charge. The formation of a bullish pattern by Javon Markings indicates that Lunc price has further room to rise. As he forecasted a bull market, the price of Terra Classic is poised to rise by about 270%, with a target price of $58. Given the creation of a bull pennant pattern on the long timeline, he expects that prices will go on a mammoth run after the next bullish breakout in the bull run. He anticipates a breakout in the middle of April, coinciding with Bitcoin's lunchtime price movement towards the $0.305 level. Lunc has already reached a high of $0.30255, and the next big obstacle is at the $0.302 psychological level. As the bull market continues, the community anticipates a return to the level in early March. At $125, the 0.30 level is still very strong. The current price of Terra Classic is $32. Its 24-hour high is $137, and its low is $131. The range is from $0.300 to 32 cents. The support level is at $0.312. Open interest for Lunc and 1,000. Lunc futures has been on the rise for the past few hours, suggesting that the price has been recovering during the past 4 hours. The value of futures OY has climbed 2%. When the cryptocurrency market as a whole recovers, the futures and spot traders will be there to sustain the price's upward momentum. Additionally, how about we discuss that if Bitcoin reaches $400,000, Google Gemini projects the price of Terra Classic. Many digital assets' potential future price trajectories are the subject of ongoing speculation in the cryptocurrency market. One coin that has been getting a lot of attention is Terra Classic, which is a vestige of the Terra coin that collapsed. Approximately every 4 years, Bitcoin undergoes a pre-programmed event that halves the rewards for BTC miners. This effectively decreases the supply of new Bitcoin entering circulation. Bullish events have historically had an impact on the price of Bitcoin, which could extend into the altcoin market. Google's state-of-the-art AI modeling language based on their examination of past trends, current market attitude, and the impending Bitcoin price of $400,000, Gemini has lately chimed in on the possible price action for Terra Classic. Their prediction is that Lunc could undergo a substantial spike. There has been a strong correlation between the price of Bitcoin and the overall altcoin market in the past. So if market sentiment is favorable, a Bitcoin jump above $400,000 might provide a huge tailwind for Lunc, according to Gemini. Lunc might potentially reach a price of 0.20 if it breaks out of its present range. In spite of concerns about the possible effects of Bitcoin's halving, the Terra Classic community has been making strides to restore the ecosystem, and the price has recently surged to $253, a gain of more than 1,000% from its present level. Several changes are in the works that might have a favorable impact on the Lunc's price. The first is the burning mechanism, which is in place on the Terra Classic network. Every transaction on that blockchain is subject to a tiny tax, typically approximately 1.2%. After then, these squishy tax tokens are set ablaze for good. On top of that, Nance, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, backs the recovery of Lunc by consistently following the burn campaign. Binance reportedly burned 4.17 billion Lunc, according to a newspaper. Secondly, developers like Frag Worded are improving the Terra Classic network with the goal of making it more scalable, secure, and user-friendly. Thirdly, it is striving to encourage more developers to create decentralized apps by launching its DApp development activities. The Terra Classic blockchain, which may lead to a rise in its popularity and use. Although there is some optimism in Google Gemini's projection for Lunc investors, it is crucial to proceed with care in the market, because the future of Terra Classic is unclear. But this struggling cryptocurrency may see a price rebound thanks to the combination of the impending Bitcoin and current advances inside the Lunc ecosystem. Now we may discuss his Lunc, which is expected to have significant growth in April. Investors and traders have taken notice of Terra Classic's recent rising momentum. The cryptocurrency has displayed strong bullish signs and a remarkable yearly growth rate of 8.76%, which indicates a surge in investor confidence. But a time of consolidation has come as market players consider the long-term viability of these gains in light of larger market dynamics. The current price of Terra Classics is $0.315, an increase of slightly more than 1% from when the article was first published. Within the last day, the trade volume has also decreased by 16%, reflecting this small drop. Lunc is the 118th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a current market cap of $26 million, suggesting interest among traders, and a worth of $785 billion. Last week, data from the coin market showed that the value of Lunc fell by 12%. Despite ever-changing market conditions, an unexpected turn of events has not depressed the spirits of its investors, suggesting an optimistic future. Throughout this period, the value of Lunc ranged from $0.3013 to $0.3016, indicating a declining tendency that led to a 38% drop in the previous month. However, looking at the big picture, things still look good. Despite a steep decline in the past month and other recent downturns, there is good hope for a full recovery thanks to the Terra Classic's resilient Lunc. There is good reason to be optimistic about the value of digital assets, thanks to their long-term rising trajectory and persistent investor interest. If buyers take control and push the price over the $0.3014 mark, Lunc might see a spike in momentum, with an upswing that might test resistance at $0.3019 and maybe even go for the $0.201 mark. On the flip side, if market distrust grows, prices can fall down to the $13 support level, which is 0.30 away. Prices could reach the $0.301 mark if the downward trend continues. Increasing the difficulty for the scary classic, the asset does not appear to be overbought or oversold at the current relative strength index, RSI, level of 40.99, which is a momentum indicator. As a result, there is no clear indication of the asset's near directional trend. In addition, the MACD pattern shows that the signal line is slightly above the MACD line, which could suggest that there is negative momentum. but there's less negative momentum in the histogram than in earlier periods. Finally, let's discuss the potential 2024 and 2025 prices of Terra Classic. Terra Classic is backed by a committed crypto community and has solid fundamentals, thus it could go far in the future. Lunc coin's maximum price will rise to more than $0.30517 by 2024 if the Terra Classic project announces any partnerships with other networks. We expect the average price of Terra Classic coin to remain around $0.30468 by 2024 if the current trend in the crypto market does not reverse. The Lunc coin's worth might drop to as little as $0.30438 in 2024 if the cryptocurrency market takes a nosedive. The Lunc coin's price might go up in the next 5 years if Terra Classic is able to improve market mood among cryptocurrency buyers and traders. As per our prediction of the market pricing, by the year 2025, the Terra Classic coin might be worth as much as $0.712. What do you think about the possibility of the Terra Classic price rallying to 0.30 if the current bullish trend persists? $58. That is important disclaimer. This video in no way encourages or endorses the purchase or investment in any cryptocurrency. The video ends there. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Muchas gracias, depart.